Hello, hello. I've got an unboxing for you today, and you can't really review these on video because, you know. But the review will be down below. As you can see, it says Binoculars there. These are on Amazon. They're from a company called Obliviscar, Obliviscar, binoculars. You use them for whatever. On Amazon, the listing is Obliviscar binoculars for adults, kids, compact, lightweight, 10 by 22, mini binoculars, waterproof, fogproof, portable HD binoculars for birdwatching, theater, hiking. And they're only $14.99. 10 times magnification and 22 millimeter objective lenses. Wide field of view, 131 millimeter to 1,000 millimeter. Supposedly high definition HD resolution lenses, however that works. This also says can use in day and night, low light level night vision, but can't see anything in complete darkness. So apparently it has some sort of night vision in it. They're 0.33 pounds, which isn't much. But anyway, let's check it out here. Okay, cleaning cloth they give you there. This is just how to use them basically and caring for them. Looks like it's for a couple of different types. But here they are here. Come in a little carrying bag for you, which is nice. Wrapped in plastic. And as you can see, they are very small, fit in your hand. You easily put them in your backpack or something like that and take them with you. Oh, they have a little strap too. Yeah, I haven't actually looked at these. I just cut the seal on them, you know, to make it easier for the video. So I don't have to do it on video. But here it is here. It's a nice little nylon string, I guess. You can put it over your, around your neck. We're stuck here. Oh, there we go. Nice and long, as you can see. And here it is. Here we have our adjustment in the center. And they fold open to be used like so. We have adjustments. Looks like it adjusts both of them, I'm guessing. Okay, they are nice little rubber padded here. And of course we have our adjustments in the center as well. Everything's done internally. Some of them have them where they, you know, the whole thing moves up and down, but these are done internally, if you can't tell. But for what they are, they actually feel heavier. I mean, they feel heavy. They feel nicely made. They're solid. They will stay. I mean, they're kind of hard to, you know, adjust, but you want them that way. And that way, you adjust them to your eyes. But it says multi-scene use binoculars, day night, money back, or free replacement guarantee. I mean, for $15, they're not bad. These should be great for camping, hiking, something like that, bird watching. Like I know I have, what do I have? No, here it is here. There's the part that moves, by the way. Sorry. So there's a little part that moves. Anyway, like we have a woodpecker in the backyard. I'm always trying to see him. He's always up in the trees. Now I can take a look at him. We also have turkeys around here and just all kinds of stuff, all kinds of different wildlife. So I'm going to get some use out of these, I think. And I'll maybe retire my other pair and give them to my son for Boy Scouts. But Obliviscar binoculars for adult kids, $14.99 on Amazon, Prime shipping. These aren't too bad, I think. I have to test them out some more. And actually, you know, take them out and test them and see how they are. But as is, for what it is, I'm fairly impressed. They seem nicely made. They're like a rubber coating on them. They have little hand grips and all that for you. 10 by 22, 131, 1000. You know, soft, rubber, comfortable iPads for you. And that's it. Thanks.